a debt to pay from the cross to the grave to the skies, and Jesus will come back for us one day. These are resurrection eggs. Does anybody know what resurrection means? Resurrection means that Jesus died and came back alive. Inside this box there's 12 eggs. Inside the 12 eggs there's things about Jesus' death. The first egg is a blue egg. Inside the blue egg there is a donkey. The donkey reminds us of that Jesus rode on the donkey in Jerusalem before he died. Everybody put palm leaves and said, Hosanna, Hosanna in the highest. The next egg is a pink egg, light pink egg. Inside the light pink egg, there is coins. The coins reminds us of that the 30 pieces of silver that Judas Iscariot betrayed Jesus with. The next egg is a light purple egg. Inside the light purple egg, there is a cup. The cup reminds us of Jesus' Last Supper. Inside the cup, there is wine. The wine represents Jesus' blood that is shed on the cross for us. The next egg is an orange egg. Inside the orange egg, there is a praying egg. The praying egg reminds us of Jesus praying at the Garden of Gethsemane. Jesus wanted to pray with his disciples, but the disciples fell asleep. The next egg is a green egg. Inside the green egg, there's another strip. The leather strip reminds us of the whip that the soldiers hitting Jesus 39 times. The next egg is a light yellow egg. Inside the light yellow egg, there is the crown of thorns. The crown of thorns reminds us of the crown that the soldiers put on Jesus' head while making fun of him, saying, Hail, King of the Jews. The next egg is a yellow egg. Inside the yellow egg, there is 3 nails. The 3 nails reminds us of the nails that the soldiers put on Jesus' hands and Jesus' feet to nail him to the cross.
It's okay, brother. Just put it in.
The next egg is a light green egg. Inside the light green egg, there is a dice. The dice reminds us of that the soldiers gambling for Jesus' clothes. The next egg is a purple egg. Inside the purple egg, there is a spear. The spear reminds us of that the soldiers piercing Jesus' side while Jesus was on the cross. is a pink egg. Inside the pink egg, there is a stone. The stone reminds us that the tomb where the stone rolled away. The last egg is a blue egg. Inside the blue egg, it is empty. Does anybody know why it's empty? It is empty because the tomb was empty. Does anybody know why the tomb was empty? The tomb was empty because Jesus came back alive. Easter is not about Easter bunnies. Easter is not about Easter eggs. Easter is not about Easter candy. Easter is not about the clothes that you wear.